Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove PayPal from Shopify or change the payment settings in general. So first of all, for United States, you need to go to the billing page of your Shopify account. The first thing that you want to do, you want to go, if you're located in the United States, you want to go to the Shopify admin, then you want to go to finances, and then you want to click on billing. This is where you will be able to set up the payment information and change either your PayPal account or the other bank account that you're using to receive the funds or pay for your Shopify subscription. By the way, there is a link so you can sign up for $1 and try Shopify in the comments under this video. If you are from other countries besides the United States, you need to go to your Shopify admin again. Then you need to go to settings and then you need to go to billing. There's only one different setting in between. Then in the payment methods section, you can do a couple of things. First you can click on the three dots on the bottom beside the payment method to your case for your PayPal, right? So you can change your account, you can change the email where you actually link your PayPal account. This is how easy it is to replace the current with the new PayPal account, so you'll be able to do the purchases or receive funds from Shopify. This is how easy it is, guys, to replace your PayPal account or any financial method in the Shopify platform. Remember, there are two options depending on the country and location where you're operating in. Again, don't forget to check out the link so you can test the Shopify platform, the best platform for dropshipping, in the comment below. As you can see over here, there is a major difference that will be coming into play for the Shopify store starting May 6, 2024. So I want you to be aware of this. I want to make sure that you guys know before we even get into the details. So according to Shopify, the product reviews app will be removed from the Shopify and is no longer available to install. After this time, you no longer have access to your existing product reviews, and reviews from the app will not apply to the display of the store. To continue collecting and displaying product reviews on your store, you need to migrate to another product review app. Okay, guys, this is very important. This was just announced. So if we click on this option over here, you will see that this is the new way how things are going to work. So the way how you're going to add the reviews for your new products, because everything that you previously collected will be lost, unfortunately, according to Shopify. So the checklist outlines and the steps that you are going to migrate from the current product review apps to the new one are as follows. So first of all, you need to install the new product review app. Then you need to export your existing product reviews from the product, right? So they will help you not losing them. And then you need to import your existing product reviews to the new product review app. So you need to extract them from the Shopify, step number 1. Then you need to import them to the new app, step number 2. Then they want you to uninstall the Shopify product reviews app if you have other apps that are currently, because they're not gonna let you, okay? And this is where things are getting interesting. This is where you need to pay very close attention. So install a new product review app will go as follows. You can use any product review app that is available on the Shopify App Store. As you can see over here, we have these apps that are recommended from Shopify. Judge.me, you have Lux, we have Oxendo, we have Stamped.io, and you have Yotpo. Okay, these apps are recommended from Shopify. Shopify has partnered with the following 5 apps that can help sync your reviews between channels, including your online store and shop app. Okay, so the current reviews app will simply go away after May. So guys, you want to make sure that you follow the steps. If you haven't tried Shopify, there is a link, my affiliate link, pinned in the comments of this video. You can go ahead and try Shopify and give you a shot to the either e-commerce or dropshipping business. So the first thing that you want to do is to decide, of course, do you want to cancel or do you want to pause? There are two different options. First of all, you can see that if your store currently is on active plan, with the first invoice that you have paid, you have an option to pause your store and continue working on it at the reduced rate. This is very important. You're not gonna pay the full rate that is your plan currently. Okay, for example, you build up a store, you spend money, you add different apps, but then the product is not working. You need some time to do some more research, probably to change the product or to change your marketing strategy, your ads. You can put the store on hold, put the store on pause, and pay the reduced fee. How are you gonna go about it? Well, first thing, you wanna log into your store, and then you wanna go to Shopify admin. Then you wanna click on settings, and then you wanna click on plan. When you went to your plan, you wanna look at the details and the options, because there are options such as switch, to pause, and build. This is where you're going to find this reduction of the fee and putting your plan to pause. This is very different because, like I mentioned, there is a difference between pausing and canceling your subscription. Then, if you actually decide to close your store, you can deactivate and cancel your subscription as follows. There's 6 different steps to do so. So first thing you want to do, you want to go to your Shopify admin again, go to your settings, and go to the plan. So far so good. Then you want to click on the deactivate store option, and then if applicable, review the options, switch to pause or build plan like we mentioned. If you want to deactivate or cancel the plan, you want to click deactivate store. Then you have to select the reason for it, click continue, enter your password as usual to confirm that that's you and you're the one deleting or canceling the plan, and proceed with it. Very important, Shopify will store your data for 2 years after closing your store. If you want to try Shopify, guys, there is an affiliate link down in the comments, so you can go ahead and give a shot and probably try your e-commerce brand or try your dropshipping luck. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.